This is a 2010 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 4.6-liter V8. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, automatic locking wheel hubs, 17-inch wheels, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Wilson Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2231 Whitehall Boulevard in Whitehall.